Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm really happy you're here today. In this video, we will talk about feelings and emotions in simple English. You will hear natural conversations that sound like real life. This lesson will help you understand emotions and express yourself better. So relax, listen closely, and enjoy learning English with us. Hi, James. It's really nice to talk with you today.
Hi, Anna. Yeah, I'm glad we can talk.
So, how are you feeling right now?
Honestly, I feel a bit tired today.
Oh, I see. Today feels long for you?
Yeah, work was busy. My mind feels full.
That happens. Busy days can drain energy quickly.
Exactly. I just want to relax a little.
When I feel tired, I try breathing slowly.
That sounds helpful and calming.
Do you often talk about your feelings?
Not always, but I'm learning to share more.
Yeah, sharing feelings can feel uncomfortable sometimes.
True, but keeping everything inside feels worse.
I agree. Talking helps emotions feel lighter.
It really does. I already feel calmer.
That's good. Calm feelings help clear thoughts.
Yes, my mind feels less heavy now.
Do you feel happy today too?
A little. Talking with you helps my mood.
That makes me happy to hear, honestly.
Thanks. Friendly conversations really matter.
Sometimes I feel stressed without knowing why.
I feel that way too sometimes.
When that happens, I try to slow down.
Yeah, slowing down helps emotions settle.
Do you ever feel nervous for no reason?
Yes, especially before important moments.
Same here. Nervous feelings can appear suddenly.
But they usually pass after some time.
When emotions appear suddenly, it can feel confusing, right?
Yeah, sometimes I feel strange and cannot explain why.
I feel that too. Emotions do not always need reasons.
Exactly. Feelings just come quietly or very strongly.
When I feel sad, I try to understand myself gently.
That sounds kind and healthy for your mind.
Being kind to myself helps me feel safe inside.
I like that idea. I am learning self-kindness too.
Do you feel comfortable sharing emotions with friends?
More than before, but sometimes it still feels difficult.
Yeah, opening up can feel scary at first.
True, I worry people may not understand me.
I understand that fear. I feel it sometimes too.
But when someone listens, it feels very relieving.
Exactly. Being heard can calm emotions quickly.
Talking now makes me feel lighter and relaxed.
I'm glad. This conversation feels warm and safe.
Same here. It feels comfortable talking with you.
Do you notice emotions change during the day?
Yes, my feelings shift from morning to night.
In the morning, I often feel calm and hopeful.
For me, mornings feel rushed and slightly stressful.
Oh, that sounds tiring before the day even starts.
Yeah, but afternoons usually feel more balanced.
I feel relaxed in the evening after work.
Same. Evenings help my emotions slow down.
What do you do when you feel stressed?
I take deep breaths and pause for a moment.
Breathing really helps emotions settle naturally.
Yes, it helps my body and mind connect.
Sometimes I talk to myself when feeling overwhelmed.
I do that too. It feels comforting.
Talking softly helps me understand my emotions better.
I like that. Emotions need patience and space.
Do you ever feel happy without a clear reason?
Yes, suddenly feeling happy feels surprising and nice.
I enjoy those moments. They feel very special.
Same. They remind me life can feel light.
And sometimes happiness comes from small things.
Absolutely. Small moments often create strong emotions.
Like a smile, kind words, or quiet time.
Yes, those things make my heart feel warm.
Warm feelings make daily life more enjoyable.
I agree. Emotions shape how we experience life.
When I feel angry, I try staying calm.
Anger can be strong, but it passes too.
I remind myself emotions are temporary visitors.
That's a good way to think about feelings.
Do you talk about emotions at work?
Not much. Work feels more serious emotionally.
Yeah, work often hides emotions behind responsibility.
Exactly. But stress still builds inside quietly.
That's why releasing emotions later feels important.
I agree. Holding everything inside feels heavy.
When emotions feel heavy, rest becomes necessary.
Yes, rest helps emotions reset naturally.
Do you feel comfortable crying sometimes?
Honestly, crying helps me release pressure.
I feel the same. Crying can be healing.
It clears emotional tension and brings relief.
Talking like this helps me feel understood.
Me too. It feels calm and supportive.
Emotions feel easier when shared kindly.
Yes, sharing creates connection and emotional safety.
Do you think emotions guide our decisions?
Definitely. Feelings influence choices more than logic.
That's true. Emotions speak very strongly.
Learning emotions helps us understand ourselves better.
I feel grateful for learning emotional awareness.
Same here. It improves communication and relationships.
When I understand my feelings, I feel more balanced.
Yeah, of course. Emotional awareness helps me stay calm too.
Sometimes I feel confused about what I feel.
Same here. Emotions can mix together easily.
Like feeling happy and worried at the same time.
Exactly, Anna. Mixed emotions feel strange but normal.
Knowing it's normal helps me accept them.
Yeah, Anna. Acceptance makes emotions less overwhelming for me.
Do you ever feel lonely even around people?
Yes, that feeling appears sometimes unexpectedly.
I understand, James. Loneliness can feel very quiet.
Yeah, it feels like something missing inside.
When I feel lonely, I reach out gently.
That helps. Connection reduces lonely feelings.
You know, talking openly brings comfort and emotional warmth.
I agree. Conversations create emotional closeness.
Do you ever feel proud of yourself?
Yes, sometimes, especially after overcoming difficulties.
That feeling motivates me to keep going.
Pride gives energy and quiet confidence.
I like celebrating small emotional wins.
Yes, small wins deserve recognition too.
When I feel anxious, my body reacts quickly.
Mine too, Anna. My heart beats faster.
I pause and breathe when that happens.
Breathing slows emotions and thoughts gently.
Do you notice emotions in your body?
Yeah, emotions often appear physically first.
Understanding that helps me respond better.
Same, Anna. It prevents emotional overreaction.
Sometimes I feel grateful for quiet moments.
Quiet moments bring peace and emotional clarity.
Silence helps me hear my feelings.
I like silence when emotions feel busy.
Busy emotions make thinking harder sometimes.
True. Slowing down helps regain control.
James, do you ever feel emotionally tired?
Yes, Anna, especially after stressful conversations.
Emotional tiredness needs rest and kindness.
Rest really helps emotional recovery.
I feel better after sleeping well.
Sleep resets my mood and energy.
Lack of sleep affects emotions strongly.
Definitely. Tiredness makes emotions sensitive.
I become impatient when I am exhausted.
Same. Small things feel bigger then.
Awareness helps me react more gently.
Awareness is powerful for emotional control.
Do you practice gratitude regularly?
Yes, gratitude shifts my emotional focus.
Gratitude makes me feel lighter inside.
It helps me appreciate simple moments.
Even small joys feel meaningful then.
Yeah, exactly. Emotions become more positive.
I feel calm when I reflect daily.
Reflection helps me understand emotional patterns.
Patterns explain why emotions repeat sometimes.
That insight brings emotional growth.
Growth feels slow but rewarding.
Emotional growth takes patience and honesty.
Do you ever hide your emotions?
Sometimes, especially in professional situations.
I do too. It feels protective.
Yes, but hiding emotions feels heavy.
Release later helps release that weight.
I agree. Release brings relief.
Do you express emotions creatively?
Sometimes, writing helps me express feelings.
Writing emotions feels freeing and honest.
Creativity gives emotions a safe outlet.
Music helps me express emotions deeply.
Music connects strongly with my feelings.
Certain songs change my mood quickly.
Same. Music influences emotional energy.
I feel joy through upbeat songs.
Calm music relaxes my nervous system.
Emotions respond strongly to sound.
Sound affects emotions more than words.
Do you notice your emotions changing as years pass?
Yes, honestly, I feel calmer than before.
Me too. I feel more patient now.
Experience slowly teaches emotional balance.
Life lessons really shape how we feel.
True, mistakes taught me emotional strength.
I feel less scared of emotions now.
Same, understanding removes a lot of fear.
Fear fades when emotions feel familiar.
Familiar emotions feel easier to handle.
I feel proud of my emotional growth.
You should. Growth takes courage.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Sharing feelings honestly builds real confidence.
Confidence helps me speak openly now.
Openness makes conversations feel warmer.
Warm conversations create emotional safety.
Safety allows true feelings to appear.
I value spaces where emotions feel welcome.
Me too. They help emotional healing.
Talking today feels comforting and sincere.
Yes, I feel relaxed and understood.
Sharing emotions makes them feel lighter.
Exactly. Heavy feelings lose their weight.
I hope listeners feel that relief.
Everyone deserves emotional understanding.
Emotions connect us deeply as people.
Connection removes loneliness inside us.
I feel grateful for this moment.
Same here. This feels meaningful.
Conversations like this calm my heart.
They remind me I am not alone.
That feeling brings quiet happiness.
Quiet happiness feels peaceful and real.
Learning emotions improves daily life.
Emotional skills help relationships grow.
Growth feels slow but rewarding.
Yes, every step matters emotionally.
I feel hopeful about emotional learning.
Hope gives emotions positive direction.
Direction helps me feel grounded.
Being grounded feels comforting and stable.
Thank you for listening with open hearts.
We truly appreciate your time today.
Keep exploring your feelings gently.
Be kind to your emotions.
Emotions deserve patience and care.
Care builds emotional harmony inside.
I feel happy ending this conversation.
Same. It ends on a warm note.
Let's continue learning together next time.
Learning together makes growth easier.
See you in our next lesson.
Take care of your feelings, Bailey.
Remember, your emotions truly matter.
They guide your inner world gently.
Thank you for being here today.
We are glad you joined us.
Keep practicing English with confidence.
Confidence grows with practice and patience.
Goodbye, everyone. Stay kind to yourself.
Goodbye, and keep learning happily.
Believe in your emotional journey.
Every feeling has meaning.
Listen to your heart carefully.
It speaks quietly but clearly.
Learning emotions is learning yourself.
Self-understanding brings inner peace.
Peace makes life feel lighter.
Lighter feelings create brighter days.
Thank you for sharing this moment.
See you again with warm hearts.